Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. To my old and new subscribers, God bless you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you. Yeah, today I'm back with another video. I want to make authentic stew, authentic chicken stew. Yes, I call it authentic chicken stew. Yeah, this is a stew that anytime I make this kind of stew, my children will eat and never know their gauge. This stew is very sweet. So if you really want to know how I made this stew, stay tuned. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let's go in. So here is it, the chicken I'm going to use for this stew. I found out that this chicken has a lot of fat, so I decided to wash it this way. I have the salt, then I have the lemon juice. Anytime you find out that your chicken has a lot of grass and this fat, try to wash it, and also the skin, because I don't want this stew to be too oily, so I need to remove this. So here is it. I'm removing the skin and washing it as well. So after washing the chicken, here we come for the cooking. This is my pot on the fire already. Then I've added all the chicken, and here is the blended ginger, garlic, and the habanero pepper, and the onions, thyme, curry, and chicken spices, and stock cube. So I will stir. Remember, I didn't add any water. I'll stir and cover to cook for 5 minutes. And here is the 5 minutes. So trying to check how far. Yeah, there is still water. I'm not going to add any water. So I will cover to cook for another 3 minutes. Here is it after the 3 minutes, and I remove it now, put it on the oven tray for grilling. So here is the chicken ready for the oven. So what I did here now, I'll take some of the stock and put on top of the chicken. So here is it now. It is okay. So here is the pot for the stew. I added oil. This is oleo de maize oil I'm using here now. So you can see I didn't allow the oil to bleach so much. So I added thyme, onions, and this is the ginger garlic paste I had before. Yeah, I store it in my fridge. And this is the one I made now with habanero pepper. It's still ginger garlic paste with pepper, habanero pepper. So I will allow it to fry a little. And here it comes, these tomatoes. These tomatoes was made by me. Yeah, if you want to know how I make this tomato, from year to year, I make tomato that I use for my family. It is in this channel. I have it in my channel. You see how red this tomato, natural, 100%. Nothing added, nothing. If you're eating tomatoes, you know that you're eating tomatoes. So I will cover to cook. Here I come again. This is a place I don't like in making stew, the splashing stage. This is the splashing stage. So I added curry and the chicken vegetable stock. So I will stir. Farms, I'm cooking on a low heat, but still it's splashing. So I will cover again. Here we comes after 5 minutes of covering, and see the oil. Once you're making your stew and you see oil comes up like this, your stew is getting ready. So this is the remaining stock that remained from the chicken stock. I had to add it here. This is the only water I'm going to add in this stew. So I will cover to cook. Here we comes again. And now our chicken is ready. As you can see, this chicken is tantalizing. I feel like taking one. Okay, the time to add the chicken into the stew. Do you want? So we add all the chicken. This chicken is so tasty. Try to make your chicken like this, especially the chicken we have here in diaspora. Yeah, so many people don't like to eat chicken because they don't know how to season it. If you season your chicken very well, you will love eating chicken. So look at it. I cover. And this is the leaves I want to add to this stew. Basil leaves. Anytime I add it, the aroma that will come out from the stew. Oh, you can't imagine it. So at this point, this stew is getting, in fact, is ready. It's ready. In less than 2 minutes, I will off the stove. Farms, if you're watching up to this period, thank you so much. I really appreciate you so much. You that shares my video, God bless you. Keep on sharing. And God will bless you. And you that have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. This is Afro Delicacies. Yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of food on this channel. So here is it. The food is ready. I'm going to enjoy it with my rice. The last time I made the rice, people were asking me what kind of rice is that, because it looks so good. So I'm using a basmati rice. I'm going to show you now. Here is it, Peacock Golden Sarah basmati rice. It doesn't have starch. Anytime I cook this rice, it goes well. It goes well with vegetable sauce, with stew everywhere. It goes well. So let me test and tell you, farms, how this stew is. Stay tuned. Let me give you the feedback. Look
Yummy.
at how red this stew is.
Wow. Guys, you need to taste the stew.
You need to test it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, because this is Aflo Delicacies. Wow, yummy, yummy. Guys, ciao. Let me enjoy my meal. Okay, bye.